check this out. We got some glass elevators. They look like ThyssenDover. Here comes this one. It's a blue car top. Oh, that's a Dover actually. Modernized by ThyssenDover. Yeah, this used to be Dover. Sensors don't work very well. Yeah, look at that, it's all Dover shit up there. Fine. We'll watch this side this time. Jesus. Oh, and it goes up more. Holy shit, these elevators are 7 floors. Yeah, I bet they just couldn't make them go up more without making traction. Oh, we're going down. Look up there. Look at that. Hey, there's the other elevator. Oh shit, I think it's broken. All the lights are off. Or it's just in power save. Nope, it's broken. Let's see here. All right, back up to 1. Ooh, it's dark and spooky down here. Come on, close. Back up we go. I think this was just a slap on. Wait, does it do the DMC thing where it... Yeah, it's DMC. Yep, that elevator's broken. Rest in peace. Anyway, we'll watch this elevator go up. Goodbye, Dover elevator. And there it goes. And... It's pretty quick. There it is at the top. And that's it.